Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. The earbuds is disconnected from your phone and after that just open it and it reconnecting to your phone. Maybe it fixed your problem, just check it. If it didn't help you, also it happened because the gesture feature, so let's go to the controls here, is set to none. As you can see right now I have it, so maybe it's because of that, so just change it to something like, let's say right here we have play and pause in the single tap, so maybe it fixed your problem. Also, the last what I can recommend it, maybe you didn't click at the touch areas. So the touch areas located right here and right here. This one is the touch areas. So just press on it or double press or press and hold, it depends what you wanna do. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.